Hi, Wes Scott from LifeBack Law Firm, and today we're going to talk about LifeBack Law Firm got its life back. Recently, LifeBack Law Firm received our bankruptcy discharge. You say, wow, LifeBack Law Firm filed a bankruptcy? Yes, we did. And we got a discharge. If we can do this, you can do this. We practice what we preach. Filing a bankruptcy is a positive event. It results. Part of the problem with having debt is you're constantly living in the past, right? And for us, that meant dealing with characters who were making false allegations, like the firm was firing Trump supporters. That wasn't true. It never was true. Or that certain people have mental health issues, or certain people have different sexual orientations. I mean, just really wild stuff that, again, Socrates said that when the argument is lost, slander becomes the tool of the loser. And we learned that in spades. So you will deal in your own life with people who are not, honorary players. You will deal with people who, may have loved you at one time, but now all of a sudden is your worst enemy. And, it's human nature, right? It's, 1 minute I love you, they're calling you brilliant. The next minute, they're dehumanizing you. So these are issues and problems that other people have. But for us, it resulted in several years where it was dangerous. You could imagine people making these kinds of allegations. And then we would find out that there were law firms out there who were claiming to be in locations they were not in. No, they were. I remember seeing an intersection. I remember literally an intersection. I remember calling certain locations, and they're like, "We don't even know who you're talking about. This law firm has been here for 30 years. We don't know who this law firm is you're talking about." And yet, this law firm that I'm talking about claimed to be in that location. What is going on here? Or claiming to be in storage locations, storage facilities. So having the Google Maps just peppered with completely false listings, and then we have people who develop a little bit of amnesia. We don't know why it's there. I mean, you can't be accountable for this. You can't say, you can't be honest. We have to play games. And so this is what this is what you deal with, and in the end, what matters is how we treat one another. And that's what, of course, LifeBack Law Firm is all about, is treating our coworkers and our clients exceptionally well. Who knew, right? This was a thing. I mean, I did. This is why LifeBack Law Firm is Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm. We will not shy away from a good fight about protecting human dignity, whether it is protecting prospects out there who should not be defrauded by, reaching out to a law firm that's not there. It's all charade, right? Or protecting somebody's sexual orientation, or protecting somebody's mental health, or protecting other aspects of human dignity. Who knew that was the right path? Well, I think we did. And that's why we have our life back. And today, LifeBack Law Firm is the most culturally diverse that we've ever been in our history. And we've had people who were fighting it. It was unreal. Can you imagine this? I mean, we had people who were fighting this. And in the end, no, humanity wins. Love wins. Love is the most powerful force in the universe. You know, but some people are not aware of this, so we have to teach them. When the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back, you can do it. You're not alone. Reach out to LifeBack Law Firm, Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.